nationals who are lawfully in the United States, whether they were of Hispanic descent. That word is not very exact to me, okay? Whether they were Polish nationals or Turks or from Indonesia or from the Philippines or wherever. No one in this room walks around with a sign on their head that says, I'm a Danish, English American, and I'm illegal in the United States by the way I look. If you take a look at this country, we're very diverse. The vast majority of Hispanics in the United States, as the government wants to define these things, are legally here and illegally here. Remember, the Spanish came here first. Okay? So I think we have to think not in racial and these popular descriptions of people, which I abhor. But we need to deal with individuals. I have no idea how many persons are unlawfully here in Carpentersville, or in the United States for that matter. In fact, having been retired, I get to see all the reports, and it starts at 7 million. By the time you get to the nightly news, it ends up being 25 million. I don't think anybody really knows. I do know this, that when we did our first legalization program in 1986, 166,000 persons who had been here unlawfully in the United States prior to January 1st of 1982, who would qualify for this benefit and apply, and most of them were granted legal status. That was below our expectation. Nearly 3 million people applied, about 2.7 million were granted a status in the United States. The largest group here was from Mexico. The second largest group was from Poland. Okay? There are lots of Eastern Europeans here who are not lawfully in the United States. Okay? Now they've come a different way. They've come with a visa and violated their visa. But just to answer your question, stay away from these, please, stay away from these favorite sayings about who people are. Deal with people individually.
And also, I'd like to add, the answer to your question is no. I have no idea, and I doubt there's that information. But I can tell you, based on the best guess of others who calculate the number of undocumented in the United States, those same studies also say that over 45% of that estimated 12 million people who are presently in the country without authorization entered legally.
Whoa. Yeah, they entered with temporary visas and violated their stay. Yeah.
Whoa.
That's correct.
I'm sorry, my apologies.
Okay, any other questions?
There are too many other people.